오, 너무 맛있다. So delicious. hot. Hello everybody, welcome to Babsi Home Cooking Channel. Today I will make this banana bread. Do you know, it's very simple. We don't need cake flour and we only use banana and egg, you know. And then I tried this very delicious. Yeah, I will introduce ingredients, this banana and egg. And I will start now. Yes, Bobby, 빨리 와. 빨리. 아야. Our Bobby. Hello, how are you? Yes, I will introduce our Lily. Our Lily is 14 years. He is very jealous. She won't go here. Yes, hello everybody. Yes, 이리 와. 빨리 와. 예쁘다. Okay, now I will start to make very fresh banana. Yes. And like that. Ready? We put egg. Very fresh smell banana. Very fresh. Yes. And then we put this white foam. Mix. Very simple. Yes, we put here. Very fresh smell. Let's put in the micro oven about 5 minutes. Ready? Wow. Ooh. Nice. Yes, let's cut. Wow. Nice. Wow, banana bread. Wow. So hot. Ready? Looks so fantastic. Ooh. Wow, looks so delicious. Wow. Very nice. Ooh. Thank you.